So we're at the bird park and it's feeding time. Looks like the cranes are going crazy over there, and the guy just dropped off a bunch of fish. This is the nicest bird park I've ever been in my life. These are flamingos. These cranes are really going crazy. Oh, the peacocks are out. I guess this is a female right in front of us, and the other one looks like it's a male. Too bad it's not facing us though. Turn around, peacock. Face us. Come on. Keep turning. Oh. Turn over here. Come on. Yeah, come on. There we go. There we go. See a little bit. He's doing that right in front of the female. I guess this is a mating ritual. Hey. See part of him now.